office of district election officer ka West Khasi Hills ka Pyllait Iaka Thup Kyrteng Jong ki Nongthep vote hagi lai Tylli constituency ki behalf of West Khasi Hill district ka lai pu ark Nongthep assembly constituency ka lai pu lai Rambrai Jurngam constituency bat ka lai pu Sao Mau Shinrut constituency haka take a sila Pyllait Iaka Thup Kyrteng haka jinga lang kabla long ha conference hall ha office Jong Deputy Commissioner haka jingya don lang Jong uba Garrett LSN dates District Election Officer uba V-swear ero ka Rambrai Jurngam uba MA Chalam ero ka Maushinrut ringkat bat kinongyalam Jong ki political party ki bala one manshimti ke electoral roll.
For male we have 451. For female we have 371. Transgender nil. And the total claims admitted 437. For female 362. Transgender we have nil. And total objections lodged in form 7 subsequently. For male we have 287. For female 148. For transgender nil. Total objections admitted we have 276. For female we have 142. Transgender we have nil. And deletions under section 22 after the previous final roll. Total for male we have nil, female nil, transgender nil. So for Nongthep we have no deletions in the present electoral roll. Total deletions since the previous final roll. For male we have 276, for female 142, transgender we have nil. Number of deletions since the previous final roll due to number 1, first category expired. We have 233 expired. Shift